In today's video, I will walk you through how to bulk delete emails in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer browser. Go to the folder you want to clean, like your primary tab, social, or promotions. Head to the top left and click the checkbox to select all visible emails on the page. You can select 50 conversations at a time. But if you have more than 50 email in your primary tab or whatever folder you are currently in, you can select all conversations in primary. Now, every single email in that category, whether it's 5,000 or 50,000, is selected. Next, click the trash can icon at the top of the page to delete them all. Keep in mind, Google doesn't instantly erase these forever. They move to your trash folder and will automatically be deleted after 30 days. If you want to free up your Google storage immediately, go to your left sidebar, click More, open Trash, and click Empty Trash Now. Now, if you don't want to delete everything, use Gmail search filters first. Type older than 1 year into the search bar, hit Enter, and then use the Select All Conversations trick to clear out old clutter while keeping your recent mail safe. If this video helped you clean up your digital life, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.